Welcome to the Cloud Workflow webinar series by DB In this exciting multi-part program, we delve into the transformative world of automating your business operations with our innovative cloud workflow platform. Today, my colleague and product expert, Sanaz, will guide you through automating finance operations. Discover how to reclaim precious time for your teams, enabling them to concentrate on strategic initiatives that drive growth. Let's dive in and explore the possibilities. So in this first episode, we're zeroing in on why finance teams should embrace automation and how it can help your growing team handle more work with ease. We'll dive into the most common finance workflows ripe for automation and show you how DB Cloud Workflow can be a game changer in your digital transformation journey. So here's what we've got lined up. Firstly, we'll understand the need for finance ops automation. We'll also dive into comparing scenarios, how it looks like with and without automation in finance. We'll get into exploring the use cases for automation, followed by a live demo, and then a quick segue into how you can get started on your automation journey. So this webinar is perfect whether you're just beginning to consider automating your finance operations or you're already on the path. We're here to give you the insights to make smart choices. Get ready to discover how automation can elevate your business to new heights. So listen up and learn how automation can help take your business to the next level. So to kick things off, Sanaz, could you shed some light on the main reasons to adopt automation in finance and suggest some key areas to start with?
Yeah, sure, Amon. First, let me say hello and welcome everyone to today's webinar. I'm excited to share with you a journey of optimizing manual processes that have been time consuming for our featured company. Let's answer the question why finance needs to use integration solution. First off, we really need to start using automated system in our finance department. Why? Because right now we often get wrong data and that's causing problem with our money flow. Also, doing the same things repeatedly, like entering data twice, is frustrating for our team and taking their attention away from more important work. Plus, it's hard to put together reports and data quickly if we don't always have the latest information. By switching to automated systems, we can fix these issues, make fewer mistakes, and make our finance work smoother and smarter. As a BCG, Boston Consulting Group also puts in, you can see 50 to 30 percentage improvement in back office, digital invoicing, and cash with automation.
So Sanaz, all of this is great, but could you help the audience here know how they can start off small and top use cases that they can go after to start their automation journey?
Yeah, certainly, Amon. Our first use cases, data exchange for seamless automation, revolves around optimizing the data exchange between CRM and accounting systems. By automating this information flow, we can significantly reduce errors and expedite the invoicing process. This not only enhances billing efficiency, but also improve cash flow, providing valuable insight for more informed decision making. Moving on to our second use case, let's explore how DBC facilitate communication and follow-ups. Through automated solution for customer interactions and proactive reminders, you can elevate your communication strategy. This in turn contributes to improve payment cycles, fostering stronger client relationships, actually. And finally, our third use case emphasizes the significance of reporting and insights. Having the right data at the right time empowers you to make better decisions and gain foresight into improving financial metrics. Debasing ensures that you have access to real-time, accurate information for strategic planning and performance optimization.
So now, I think you've hit the nail on the head with all of these key pain points and automation areas for finance teams. They're really spot on and apply to so many areas. But could you also give us a glimpse into what traditional finance operations typically look like and what the key pains for teams are there today? And then maybe contrast with how things change when team adopts an automation platform and improve their ways of work. I think it'd be great to visualize the transformation.
Yeah, absolutely, Aman. First, let's learn about the significant challenges teams face in their financial workflows, especially between Salesforce and QuickBooks. Today, we are going to review these processes of sales and finance requests, creating estimate or sales order, invoicing, customer payments, and payment records were all handled manually, so resulting in efficiency and delays. As you can see here, there are a lot of manual processes between the sales and accounting department in order to get some confirmation or documents to fulfill a customer's order. Let's start by examining the challenges between finance and CRM department. First step in the finance side, which is an estimate request sent from the sales department. This means sending manual emails to the finance team. Then the finance team using QuickBooks software to calculate the final price and create an estimate. And then after creating these estimates were sent back to the sales team by email, which is a manual process. Something happened here. As order numbers increase, they start missing or delay to respond to some estimate request emails. So they should maybe hire more employees. That wasn't a cost effective solution. And the next one, the sales team, and then forwarded these estimate or sales order to the customers. After customers' confirmation, they sent a request to the finance department for the invoice. It was another manual process, sending by email. And after closing the contract with the customers, when payments came in, they were manually attached to the Salesforce and sent it to the finance team by email. This process usually was very time consuming. Finally, this finance team added the journal payments to the QuickBooks accounting software. But the challenge here was with a large number of sales order or invoice requests, their priority was to respond to this type of request. So resulting in a delay in updating invoice payments status or creating journals. So which means managers need to wait until they update all invoices and journals, then they could have updated reports. That was not a real-time, streamlined, and efficient process. It was a very costly process. Um, Here, the question is, how DBSync assists this company in reducing both cost and time in their processes, and what measures were implemented to eliminate manual tasks? Um, let's take a closer look at what changed with DBSync in place. The first step in price inquiry and request estimates, the sales team, after receiving an order, triggers Salesforce to send a request to the QuickBooks to generate price inquiries and estimates. This process repeats automatically when a new opportunity is created in Salesforce. And then Salesforce passes the estimate to the customer. Once confirmed, Salesforce communicate with QuickBooks for transforming the sales order into an invoice automatically. After that, when the invoice status is updated, Salesforce automated email system promptly send out electronic invoices. These invoices contain payment instruction and links for online payments. If customers choose online payments, Salesforce automatically updates the payment status. Finally, QuickBooks automatically generates journal payments after Salesforce payment updates. This easy but powerful automation cuts down the process delays. No need for manual and time-consuming journal payment entries anymore.
That is a definite eye opener, Sanaz. I'm sure our audience is starting to see how seamlessly this fits into their business processes. What better time than now to give everyone a taste of our automation platform, which is Cloud Workflow? Let's jump in to a quick show and tell to demonstrate how it all comes together.
Yeah, definitely. Now, let's explore the practical steps of building your workflow using debugging templates. This is a crucial aspect of our webinar today, offering a hands-on approach to streamline processes efficiently. Once you log into your debugging account, you'll find yourself on the project list page. Here, you can view all your existing projects and those you plan to create it. To initiate your first project using templates, simply click on Add Template. And then this action will lead you to a form displaying a list of templates available in your account. In this use case, you will be showcasing how a company constructs Salesforce and QuickBooks workflow using a DB template. When selecting a template for import, you'll encounter the setup form that breaks down the process into 4 straightforward steps. The first step involves connecting to your application endpoints. Here, you should input your application credentials, and you can have a quick test to ensure a successful connection before proceeding. And then moving on the second step, you'll find a list of questions to address for the seamless integration of your application. This form facilitates the updating of customers, products, transactions, and payment records between Salesforce and QuickBooks Online. It comes pre-populated with default answer for each question, which you can adjust as you need. In the next step, with your workflow now set up, it's time to run the integration and observe the result in your Salesforce or QuickBooks. Once you have confirmed the integration's success, you're ready for the next step. In the final step, allow you to take control by setting a schedule for your sync. Specify the update task, start and end time, and frequency to ensure continuous synchronization between both applications. This ensures that your Salesforce and QuickBooks remain in sync, maintaining consistency in data across both platforms. And after you completing the setup confirmation, you'll have an active task. You can review the logs in the log list, and also you can modify existing workflows or add new ones to meet your specific requirements. All flows here are generated by templates that are customizable. And feel free to alter or deactivate any of them or introduce entirely new flows as you need it.
So now you've really given finance teams a lot to consider in their day-to-day work, showing how they can focus on improving cash flows instead of getting bogged down with repetitive tasks such as double data entry. As Eliyahu Goldratt, a well-known management thinker, once said, automation is good so long as you know exactly where to put the machine. And our webinar aims here to help you identify the right areas best fit for automation in finance ops so that you can push start your journey. So to summarize the benefits once again for the audience here, automated systems reduce pricing, coding, and invoicing errors and enhance accuracy. They expedite the business processes, they breed employees, concentrate them on tasks that matter. So we'll continue to explore these benefits and hot zones for automation as our cloud workflow series continues next month. Tune in and hear how we can improve not just your business, but your overall quality of life. You can visit our website at www.mydbsync.com and the cloud workflow page for the latest updates. And our new interface. So you can check out how we'll get and keep your apps talking. Thank you.